Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video automobile information. Automobile is usually four-wheeled vehicle designed primarily for passenger transformation and company provided by the internal combustion engine using a volatile fuel. Automobile design. The modern automobile is a complex technical system, temporarily subsystem with specific design function. Some of these consist of thousands of component parts that have evolved from breakthroughs in existing technology or from new technologies such as electronic computers, high strength plastics, and new alloys of steel and non-ferrous metals. Some subsystems have come about as a result for factors such as air pollution, safety legislation, and competition between manufacturing throughout the world. Passenger cars have emerged as the primary means of family transportation, with an estimate 1.4 billion in operation worldwide. About one record of these are in the United States, where more than 3 trillion miles, almost 5 trillion kilometers, are traveled each year. In recent years, American have been offered hundreds of different models, about half of them from foreign manufacturing, to capitalize on their properly technologies advantages. Manufacturing introduce new design ever more frequently, with some 70 million new antis built as a year worldwide. Manufacturers have been able to split the maker into many very small segments that nonetheless remain profitable. New technical developments are organized to be the key to successful competition. Research and development engineering and scientists have been employed by all automobile manufacturing and suppliers to improve the body, chassis, engine, drive train, control system, safety system, and emission control system. These outstanding technical advancement and are not made without economic consequence. According to a study by World's Economication Incorporated, the average cost for a new American car increased $4,700 in terms of the value of the dollar in 2000 between 1980 and 2001 because for demanded safety and emission control performance requirements such as the addition of airbags and uh, catalytic converters. New requirements continued to be implemented in subsequent years. The addition of computer technology was another factor driving up car price, which increased by 29% between 2009 and 2019. This is in addition to consumer cost associated with engineering improvements in fuel economy, which may be offset by required fuel purchase. Vehicle design depends to a large extent on this intended use. Automobiles for off-road use must be durable, simple system with high resistance to a server overloaded and extremes in operating condition. Conversely, products that are intended for high speed, limited access road system require more passenger comfort position. Comfort option, increased engineering performance and optimized high-speed handling and vehicle stability. Stability depends principally on the distribution or width between the front and rear wheels. The highest of the center of gravity and its position relative to the aerodynamic center and passenger of the vehicle. Suspension characteristics and the selection of which wheels are used for propulsions. Weight distribution depended principally on the location and size of the engine. The common practice of front mounted engine expression the substitutably that is more readily achieved with this layout. The development of aluminum engine and new manufacturing process has, however, made it possible to locate the engine at the rear without necessary compression subsequently. So, and body. Automobile body designers are frequently categories according to the number of doors, the arrangement of state, and the roof structure. Automobile roofs are conventionally supported by uh, piers on each side of the body. Convert, Convertible models with regardable fabric tops really on the pillar at the side of the windshield for upper body strength strength as convertible mechanisms and glass area are essentially non-structural glass area has been increased for improved visibility and for aesthetic reasons. So thanks my watching my video. Thank you and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.